Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Lintang Suminar, and now I will presentation about approach to active learning. For the first, I have introduction, approaches that promote active learning focus more on developing student skills than on transmitting information and require that students do something, read, discuss, write, that requires higher order thinking. They also tend to place some emphasis on students' explorations of their own attitudes and values. Next, I have theory, and that is active learning approaches also often embrace the use of cooperative learning groups. A construct- a constructivist best practice that places particular emphasis on the contribution that social interaction can make. This active learning approach that rely on group work rests on this sociocultural branch of constructivist learning theory, leveraging peer-to-peer interaction to promote students' development of extended and accurate mental models. Next, I have three methods. Number one, minute papers. Ask students a question that requires them to reflect on their learning or to engage in critical thinking. Have them write for 1 minute. Ask students to share responses to stimulate discussion or collate all responses to inform future class sessions. Like the think, pair, share approach, this approach encourages students to articulate and examine newly formed connections. Number two, I have strip sequence. Now, give students the steps in a process on strips of paper that are jumbled. Ask them to work together to reconstruct the proper sequence. This approach can strengthen students' logical thinking process and test their mental model of a process. Point 3. I have retrieval practice and pause for 2 or 3 minutes every 15 minutes. Having students write everything they can remember from preceding class segment. This approach prompts students to retrieve information from memory, which improves long-term memory, ability to learn subsequent material, and ability to translate information to new domains. And then how to start? For the first, we will start small, start early, and start with activities that pose low risk for both instructors and students. The past procedure, retrieval practice, minutes paper, and the think pair share technique provide easy entry points to incorporating active learning approach, requiring the instructor to change very little while providing students an opportunity to organize and clarify their thinking. Okay, I think that's all for me. Sorry if I have many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.